Hey, your sketch for scoping. Here's amazing stuff with Christian here back in today, and man, I just changed. Basically, I'm wearing a sleeve because it's it was actually windy. Actually, I don't know how, but right now, here is the Danish. I have never tried a Danish before, but I'm not gonna review it. Here it is, guys. It's good. I think it has cheese in it. We're good. I'm gonna eat for breakfast actually. I don't know, but yeah. So again, not really that special, but since you guys want more vlogs, I give you more vlogs. But I don't have nothing special right now, but I'm just talk about random stuff and stuff like that if you guys want me to do, but random shit. No, I don't know this. Maybe. Yeah. I'm pretty weird. I'm not like Danish before, but I like it with with cheese and I think raisins. I think there are raisins, so that's why here. See, it looks like raisins, but very pretty good. Um, right now, I'm just saying about my homework. I think when I finished it, we didn't have that much, right? Oh yeah, we didn't, huh? Think about it. Wait, we didn't have like 2, but no, that's fine with me. So, yeah, not even that special. It's gonna be like a short vlog today, so I don't know. We will see. OMG, so I need to close these. Alright, there we go. Close these, and this looks all clean. Except for that one. Oh my god. So yeah, just have this thing connected into there. As you can see there, it looks pretty worth it, as you can see. So yeah, so that's the Xbox and the controllers and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see if this thing works. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Giant LED, actually. We have like giant LED over here. So as you can see there, we have like giant LED. So, focus, focus, focus. This does not focus, right? Look at that, you can actually see it. OMG, big lead pencil, big lead pencil, the biggest lead pencil ever. But it can actually we have like big lead. Actually, it's actually windy actually right now, so you can see the walls are actually just making noise because of the branches. And it is really cold. If it's cold tomorrow, then I can actually make a video. But right now it's actually really cold and windy and stuff like that. But for right now, it's just like, it's really weird actually. That's why I closed all the windows down, except for the bathroom. The bathroom is already open because I used it and all of that stuff. So yeah, and that pen is still listed at the camera. You can actually see that. Let me see. Let me see how she did this. Oh, it's actually really weird. It looks really weird. That looks really weird. That looks really weird. But it doesn't damage my camera. Right there. Should be good. Let me do this actually. You can actually put lead in this. You just have to take off this. Right now, I can't take it out with anyone. Oh, nasty Wendy. Wendy. You can hear that, right? You can definitely hear that. You can definitely hear that. You can definitely hear that. I swear to God, it's really cold. Oh my God, that was really cold. You can clearly hear that. Right, you guys can hear that, right? You guys can hear that. You guys can perfectly hear that. Jesus Christ. You guys could hear that, right? You guys could hear that. Watch. This is this. You guys could hear that. I could hear. You guys can hear that. I'm not gonna lie, you guys can hear that. Well, it's not making noises right now. I am making noises, so right now just like this. I think you guys can hear that, right? You guys can hear that. Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it. Alright, guys. I can hear it actually. You guys can hear that. I swear to God, you guys can hear that. You guys can hear it. This thing, you guys can hear that. I'm wishing because I want to see, because I want to hear it. That's why. It's not making noise anymore, so I can get back tomorrow for the next video. So it's weird wall noise. It's really weird because it's actually windy. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out. You guys can hear. Alright, get later.